Okay, I am out here this afternoon. Oh, looking like you know what, but that's okay. I had to come out here and hang up my new signs I got real quick because, well, the planes are already going over and spraying the fields that surround us. As you can see, that field over there across the road, I guess they're getting ready to plant it, so they're trying to kill off everything that's in it, so they're dousing it, spraying it. This over here, I don't know if you can see back there or not. This field right here, right behind this first fence, this is ours. This is where I normally keep the goats at. I just didn't put them out today because it was so rainy. But the field behind it that goes all the way back to that far tree line back there is another field that they normally plant every year. And they're going through spraying, trying to kill off the weeds and stuff that are in it right now so they can plant. And I guess that's okay if that's what they want to do, but I don't want it on my property. And last year, when they came through, they sprayed right over top of my property, my goats, my sheep, my gardens, everything, which isn't planted yet. I don't know if you can see that or not, but it's a mud hole. I've got to wait for it to dry up some. But at any rate, I hung me a sign up a while ago. So I'm going to see if I can get it in this. I don't know if you can see or not. Right there. Whoop. Chemical free zone. Hopefully they pay attention to it. I can't tell if it's in the camera or not. Let me see if I can get just a little bit closer to it. I can't get in the garden to do it because, well, it's... Whoa! I just sunk. It's a mud hole. There's my sign. I can't really tell if it's in there or not. I can't see the camera. But at any rate, there it is. Now you can see it. I think it's backwards though. Go figure. Okay, at any rate, I'm not going to keep y'all. I just wanted to let y'all know what's up here, which isn't a whole lot outdoors because of all the rain. This over here, let me see if I can get through the water here. I don't know why this won't let me turn the camera around while it's videoing. Maybe that's it. No, that's not it. Nope. Okay, well, at any rate, this is where I normally plant my tomatoes. I am now waiting. And yes, he has the garden tiller stuck in the middle of it there. But I've got to wait for this to dry up. Although the ducks are enjoying the water, all the rain. Go figure, leave it to a duck. Alright, well, I just wanted to show you what's up here today. And I will talk to you all later on. Thanks for watching. And God bless all of you.